the Sennheiser MKE 600 microphone. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Sennheiser MKE 600 shotgun microphone. This is designed for DSLRs and camcorders. I'll go over some brief specs, features, and provide microphone samples towards the end. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside you get the user guide, a storage case, foam windshield, and the shock mount with the flash adapter. Here are just some of the specs. I won't go into detail, but this is laid out nicely in the user guide. This has a super cardioid low bar pattern, so it has a very directional pickup. The frequency response of 40 Hz to 20 kHz, and this can use phantom power or can be powered by one AA battery. You can see the pickup pattern along with the frequency response with the option of the low cut filter to block out wind and impact noise. As with many Sennheiser products, this one is solid. It's metal construction all around, and you can see the microphone grill on the front and on the side. On the top, you have the low cut switch, LED indicator, and the battery on and off switch. One thing to note is that the LED doesn't stay on when you power the mic on. It will light up for 1 second to indicate that it's on, then it goes off. It can last approximately 150 hours, and below you see how it will indicate when the battery runs low. The back you have the XLR connection if you want to use it with phantom power. You can also use the XLR to 3.5mm optional adapter, which I will go over shortly. Accessing the battery compartment is just a matter of loosening the top half. It takes one AA. Here you see how the LED operates in the on position. As mentioned, this comes with a windshield and it's simple to install, along with the shock mount, which has the flash adapter. This is how it looks with everything installed. And you can also purchase the Sennheiser XLR to 3.5mm adapter if the device you're using it uses a 3.5mm port. And it just clicks right in. The microphone comes in at about 10 inches long and has a diameter of 0.8 inches. It weighs in at 157 grams with the battery installed. This is how it looks on the Canon DSLR using the 3.5mm adapter. And with the windscreen on. Now for some microphone samples. I will alternate between the MKE 600 and the Canon onboard microphone. This is the MKE 600. I'm a few inches away from the microphone. A yacht slid around the point into the bay. The lease ran out in 16 weeks. See the cat glaring at the scared mouse. Use a pencil to write the first draft. A cup of sugar makes sweet fudge. Now the onboard mic of the Canon DSLR. I'm a few inches away. A yacht slid around the point into the bay. The lease ran out in 16 weeks. See the cat glaring at the scared mouse. Use a pencil to write the first draft. A cup of sugar makes sweet fudge. This is a test of the MKE 600. I'm about a foot away from the microphone. I'm just going to read a few phrases. A yacht slid around the point into the bay. The lease ran out in 16 weeks. See the cat glaring at the scared mouse. Use a pencil to write the first draft. A cup of sugar makes sweet fudge. Now using the onboard microphone on the Canon DSLR, I'm about a foot away. A yacht slid around the point into the bay. The lease ran out in 16 weeks. See the cat glaring at the scared mouse. Use a pencil to write the first draft. A cup of sugar makes sweet fudge. Now I'm about 5 feet away with the MKE 600. A yacht slid around the point into the bay. The lease ran out in 16 weeks. See the cat glaring at the scared mouse. Use a pencil to write the first draft. A cup of sugar makes sweet fudge. Now 5 feet away with the onboard microphone. A yacht slid around the point into the bay. The lease ran out in 16 weeks. See the cat glaring at the scared mouse. Use a pencil to write the first draft. A cup of sugar makes sweet fudge. The MKE 600 is a versatile microphone that can be used on DSLRs, camcorders, and even on a boom. The directional pattern does a fantastic job at picking up the audio, along with the flexibility of using phantom power or the battery. It's in the higher price range, but you are definitely getting quality all around. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.